Okay, Annie, start over. Show Mommy what you've got. Look right here and say it.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of new sight, one nation under God, indivisible, and liberty justice for all.
You missed some. What?
Pledge allegiance to the flag of new state
Of America.
of America.
And to
The republic for which it nation under God.
indivisible.
What?
What's with the face, dude? Okay. Okay, go. Well, don't go there. Come back over here. Please.
You only broke it.
Broke what? No, I just took it off the wall for a second.
I'm stuck.
Go.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of a new state, one nation under God, indivisible, and liberty justice for all.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
pledge allegiance to the flag of a new state, one nation under God, indivisible, and liberty justice for all.
What was that?
Liberty of justice for all.
Okay. Why do we say that?
We see that at my school.
Where do you go to school?
The preschool.
Really? Does it make you smart? No?
That makes it so sad. That makes it so sad.
It's sad to go to preschool?
Yeah, just to get and noticing about.
Really?
Yeah.
You have to think about stuff?
Yeah.
That's rough.
I see something there's a mean friend.
There's a mean friend?
No, she's nice, the mean friend.
The mean friend is nice? Okay.
Is there a silly name?
You're silly. Do you know your teacher's name? What is it?
It's Mrs. Annie.
Just like you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Mrs. Annie's are the same.
That's so fun. Do you like her?
Uh-huh.
Awesome.
She said don't think about.
She said go think about it.
She said don't think about Annie.
You're a silly girl, you know that?
Wow.
I love you.
You too.